So these are cranberry shortbread bars, and it has a layer of shortbread that I pressed into the bottom to make a crust. Out of the shortbread mixture, about 2/3 of that. Then I layer fresh cranberries, no extra sugar in them, just the fresh cranberries washed. And then I top it off with the remaining shortbread crumbs. Now I've been able to make a little bit bigger crumbs by melting it or just warming it just slightly in the microwave. So I'm just going to pour the rest of this on. Spread it around on the top. And these bars will bake up beautifully. I put in parchment paper on each side to make it like a little sling so I can lift the bars out easily when they're done. And I'm just going to just spread this evenly, and then we bake it in the oven at 350 for about 45 to 50 minutes. And we'll see what they look like when they come out.